Why you should avoid using an outdated or unsupported OS on your PC. The operating system is a crucial part of your personal computer. We can liken it to the foundation of a house, which supports all other software and operations. Your PC's OS is what accommodates all programs and software you install on your computer. Despite being so crucial to the smooth running of the computer, users pay little or no attention to their operating systems. And this can cause varying degrees of harm to the computer in terms of security vulnerabilities, poor performance, and inadequate support. Using an outdated and unsupported OS will harm your PC. We currently live in a world of fast-paced technology. There are more innovations and evolutions by the day, and the software industry is not left behind. The giant software companies, Apple, Microsoft, Google, are all committed to providing their customers with a better experience. Software companies offer regular updates to improve existing software and periodic upgrades to get users onto a newer and better version of the same software. But this quest for improvement comes at a cost. The lifespan of an operating system is now shorter. You may not be able to get several years of performance because newer versions from the software company are often better, safer, and more advanced. What are the implications of using an outdated or unsupported OS? If for any reason you are still using an outdated or unsupported OS on your PC, then you should be aware of the implications that come with such a decision. No security updates to fix security holes and other issues. One major disadvantage of the continuous innovation in the tech space is the increase in the number of digital threats targeted at users through their devices. Software companies have realized this threat, which is why they consistently push updates and security patches to their OS to block any loopholes. When a company withdraws support for a version of their OS, such an OS stops getting updates, exposing the software to numerous risks and threats. Systems that do not get regular security patches are more vulnerable. They can be easily breached by ransomware or malware, causing you to lose your valuable data and, sometimes, your PC. Incompatibility with third-party software or programs. Third-party software providers work hard to maintain an excellent vendor management strategy by releasing software that works best with the latest and best versions of operating systems. If your PC's OS is outdated or unsupported due to the absence of regular updates, you could lose the ability to run third-party software properly. You may lose data. Using unsupported or outdated operating systems on your computers leaves holes in your security. If you have essential personal or customer data on your computer, such data is at a more significant risk of being lost or stolen. Businesses that handle sensitive information or personal data cannot afford a breach. It can be extremely costly with severe reputation damage. You miss new functionalities. A new operating system usually includes a range of new functionality you do not have on the previous operating system. These features and functionalities are often well thought out by the developers and may help to improve productivity, performance, or effectiveness. Outdated or unsupported OS is a weak link. Not having the latest security updates to fill holes or missing out on a few new features that can improve performance is an indication that your outdated or unsupported OS is a weak link. This weak link may have severe effects on your business or personal data and user experience. You can avoid this by updating your OS when the provider pushes the update or upgrade when there is a newer version.